This one's getting a new quarter panel.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Audi here. This one is actually an aluminum body, has an aluminum quarter panel. So I almost have this quarter panel all worked out. There's a little bit of a little whoop-de-doo right in here. So I'm gonna put one more coat on it. If I keep on sanding, I'm gonna end up undercutting it because it's about as far as I can sand it right now. So I'm gonna put one more thin coat over it and that should finish it out. So I have a Hyundai Sonata here. This one's getting a new quarter panel. You can see how it's real wadded up. I guess it got caught on something, I would assume, and it put a bunch of buckles up throughout the top of the quarter panel. So it's getting a new panel. I have the new panel right here. And I am going to go ahead and start cutting this panel off. And then once I get it cut off, I'll repair the wheelhouse back inside of here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this one upstairs to our paint shop so they can get this one painted. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on there where it's supposed to be sitting at. I'm gonna make my final cuts. I overlap this last section on each of these joints, and I'm gonna cut through both layers at the same time on all 3 joints. And that'll give me a perfect cut.